Kansas City Public Schools KCPS Homeroom presents ScratchJr by Erica Madian, iSpark STEM Coordinator with the CTE Department. Let's begin. We're going to start out by learning the various blocks, and the first section is our yellow blocks. These are our triggering blocks. They begin our program. You can initiate your block sequence by clicking the green flag, or if you tap one of the characters, or if another character bumps into another. Our next set of blocks is our motion blocks. These provide movement for your character in various ways. You can initiate your sequence with the variable as it is listed with the number, or you may change the number and quantity by clicking the number and choosing the number that you desire. Our looks blocks allow it to talk, grow in size or shrink, reappear or disappear. Our sound blocks. You may choose from the sounds of pre-recorded based on your selection, or you may record your own sound or series of words or script. Our control blocks allow the movement to stop or begin, change the speed, or create a loop by using the repeat block. You may also change the variable of how many times you want it to repeat based on using the number and changing the number to the desired amount. The end blocks. You can stop your sequence altogether, have your sequence repeat, or have your sequence go to the next page of your program. Let's look at how it looks on our ScratchJr iPad or tablet device. This will be a depiction of what you will see. We have a section to add or use more characters by clicking the plus. Above that is our save or our home screen where you can look at all of the programs, your presentation mode, your grid. Your grid allows you to see how your character is moving in the form of an array. It will have the numbers in graduating amounts going from smallest to largest. You can change your background, add text to your screen or your stage, reset your character to its original position. The green flag is where you'll initiate your program. Down the right side, you can add pages to the different parts of your program. Your undo and redo buttons, this is a choice of your block palette or your block controls of what you can choose from. Your programming area is where you will drag your blocks down to this area to make your sequence. And last, we have our various block categories. Let's continue on to see what that looks like. Now, our backgrounds. When you would like to choose a background, you will initiate the background button by pressing it, and then the choices of backgrounds will be here. You can scroll down to find the one that you want by selecting initiating that part by pressing on that background. It will outline it, and you will check the circle in the top right corner to select your background. Next are the character choices. Once you choose that you would like to add a character on the right side of the screen, you'll pick the character that you want. By pressing it, an orange square will appear, and you may then choose the check mark at the top right corner to add that character to your screen. What does that look like when we add a background and characters? Let's see. Here is a page that depicts a typical background and character and block sequence, all added to their ScratchJr profile. We've added a barn and chickens to our characters. We have the background set to a farm-looking depiction. And now in our programming area, we have a sequence of blocks. They have, when I click the green flag, go to the right 1 space, jump 4, then jump 2 times. Next, they have when I touch the scratch cat, repeat 4 times, turn to the left, turn to the right. This is a depiction of what it would look like for you to pull down your programming blocks and initiate the sequence. To begin this program, you would simply click the green flag at the top of the screen. Thank you for learning ScratchJr with us at KCPS Homeroom. Enjoy your coding experience with ScratchJr. Have a good day.